No crack line now.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're down at Auto Mods. So we've got a little bit of a fault with the Mark II, the daily driver. The heater blower is only working on number 4. So we've got the master here. We're going to get working on it today and show you what parts you need. And it will take you about 10 minutes to fit it, guys. So we'll see you shortly. So yeah, Mark II Focus. You all know the story of this. It's a 1.6 petrol. It's not an ST. So this will work on any Mark II Focus. And it's quite a cheap fix, to be fair. So stay tuned and we'll show you how to sort it. Right guys, so the fault that the resistor makes is, here's your heater. Number 1, you can hear it's not working. Number 2, you can hear it's not working. Number 3, it's not working. And number 4 actually works. So that's normally an indication of the heater resistor. Now Mark was just telling me, here's the resistor, this is the replacement part. And Mark was just saying that basically this regulates the power for the fan speeds. And number 4 usually just bypasses this, which is why it still works on number 4, but 1, 2 and 3 is not working. So we're going to show you today how to replace this part on a Mark II Focus. So you have to start by removing the glove box, which there's a screw there, and then there's 3 screws down there, which Mark's just doing now.
One's already missing. Some of them have audio jack on there and stuff, so you need to be careful when you pull it out.
Oh yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, if it's an ST, it has the...
And a light, but you haven't got it on this one. Oh no, you switch it there.
It might have a light, but it might be missing. And then this just pops out.
Yep.
To give a bit more access so you can get your shoulders in. Just squeeze it in and pull. Right, so I've come around the other side just to show you. So if we're looking here, I'll show you, we've got a light on. The bit that we're looking at is right just there in that corner. I'll see if I can get the camera in a better angle. Right, so take the camera off the holder so we can get it in there. And you can see it's literally just there, look. Try and get my finger in, just there. And there's 2 torque screws to remove it. As you can see, it is quite fiddly.
It's not fiddly, it's just really dead far in to get to, and you kind of got to guess where you put your screwdriver. 1 screw.
Oh, you've got a screw out already?
Yeah, of course. I best take the plug off out before I do anything else. Good. Get my hand in there, find another screw. Oh. Hey presto.
Oh, it's quite black, isn't it?
Yeah, it's burnt out, that's all. It's been really, really hot. Yeah. It's
a little bit of a comparison from the new one.
Where is the new one?
So I've got the old one out. So we're doing a bit of a comparison here. You can see it's the same one.
Yeah.
So my parts research skills are spot on this time.
This time?
Yeah, this time. You know, you sometimes get a mistake, Mark. Can't be right every time, can you? You should know that.
Oh.
Right, so new one's going in.
I'm going to pop it in first, the right way.
Or you're better off putting it in first, screwing it, then putting the plug on, so it holds it in situ.
Well, you put the plug in last because the plug will be in the way when you try and put it on. So I'm just putting a screw in.
So as you can see, Mark's working a bit blind here, so it's very hard to see. So we're all screwed in. He's just getting the plug connector back on, and we can test it out, guys, see if it's cured the fault.
Okay, go test it.
So, the big moment of truth. Is it going to work? Yes.
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 There we go.
So that's full blast, number 3. You should be able to hear that on the camera. Number 2.
Probably just.
And then number 1, which you won't hear, but yeah, fully working now. So all that's left to do is to put everything back, which is 5 screws for the glove box.
Yeah, I need to pop on. You've actually got aircon blower to the box, so to keep things cool. So I need to pop that on when we finish putting it back together. Otherwise, it'll be just blowing into nowhere. Oh, hey. Try putting the door on first there.
I did think that. I thought it might. They just push in.
So, yeah.
And then that slides in.
Again. And you need to make sure you pop it in properly because the clips don't go in down here. Nice. Yep.
5 screws back in, or in our case is only 4 screws.
Where are you getting 4 screws? I can't more than 4 screws.
Did you?
Yeah.
2 at the top, 3 at the bottom.
4 at the top.
Is he? Oh, there's 2 near the latch.
Yeah, take that off as well because that screws into the everything too.
Mark makes everything look easy. So if you want to have a go at yourself, you can. If not, then give Mark a call and get yourself booked in, guys. Perfect.
Just need to.
Right, guys, so as you saw, that has cured our problem. So I hope it helps you as well. If you like this video, give it a like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm off home shortly. Just got to help move some cars about. We're being kicked out the yard. And we'll see you soon, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe.